I find that local yarn stores are so gorgeous. It's like going into a candy store, and it's hard to know what to choose at first blush. I remember going into a local yarn store right in South Orange, near where I live, and there was a little girl. She was maybe 8 or 9 years old. Her mom wanted her to learn how to knit, or she wanted to learn how to knit. Her mom was ready to buy the yarn, and the local yarn store owner gave her this like fingering weight Malabrigo, and it was expensive for a beginner, for a beginning knitter, especially for a child. And it took a long time just to wind the yarn into a cake. And so the whole experience, I think, was a little overwhelming. So at the Spinning Hand, I try to eliminate that frustration by providing kits that give you everything you need to have success.